Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin vinaigrette, just perfect for fall. I just got my new bottle of pumpkin spice vinegar from Rocky Mountain Oil Company, and I'm going to be using that in this recipe today. They were nice enough to gift this to me. I'm going to leave a link to their website and also a discount code. And I think you really are going to enjoy it. They have so many different flavors of vinegar and they really are spectacular. So let's get started on this really quick and easy recipe for fall. This vinaigrette follows the same formula as most of my dressings. 3, 2, 1. We're going to do 3 of the vinegar, 2 of the mustard, 1 of the maple syrup. It's all going to go into a jar. We're going to shake it up. We'll add some spices. So let's get started. First off, 3 tablespoons, and I just use any old jar. I love to save my old jars, pickle jars, whatever. They're great for this. So 3 of that, of the vinegar. You can use whatever kind of mustard you'd like. I like Dijon. 1. 2, and 1 of maple syrup. All right, spices. I'm gonna do, let's use a spoon, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of thyme. Probably about a 1/4 teaspoon. Maybe a little teeny bit more. All right. Then we're just going to give it a shake. And you want to taste it. Make sure the seasonings are good. Oh boy, that is delicious. So we're just going to drizzle a little bit on here. A little bit goes a long way. I've got some cucumbers, tomatoes, a little bit of walnuts onto this bed of mixed greens. So we're gonna give this a taste. Salad is ready to go. So I just love pumpkin, and when it comes to fall, it's like pumpkin everything, but this is such a good little dressing. And what I love is you don't need to use actual pumpkin. And you know, you don't want to open up a whole can of pumpkin just to put a little bit. If you've got some leftover pumpkin, you could put a tablespoon in here and that would really boost up the pumpkin, but it's pretty pumpkin-y. So let's give it a taste. Let me tell you, it tastes like fall. It is delicious. So again, Rocky Mountain Olive Oil Company. Check out their link below. They're a great company. There's a discount code in there for you. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.